Good afternoon, dear students. I hope all of you have now learned how to balance a chemical equation. If still you have any confusion, you can ask me. Today I am starting a new topic, that is chemical reaction. Now, all of you have already read about physical and chemical changes in your previous classes. If I'll give you some examples, I'm sure you all can identify it as physical and chemical changes. For example, a paper is burnt, water is converted into ice, we respire. So, which among these are physical changes and which are chemical changes, you all can easily identify. Physical changes are those changes in which the physical properties are changed, like the change in shape or size or appearance of a state. So the change of water into ice is a kind of physical change, right? Only the state is being changed. Now if we take the example of a paper is burnt, अगर हम पेपर को जलाते हैं तो it will be converted into ash and smoke. So it is a type of chemical change. Why it is a chemical change? Because chemical changes results in the formation of a new substance. Whenever a chemical change occur, we say it is a chemical reaction, and this is what we are going to study in detail. So what happens in a chemical reaction? Two products react with each other to form new products. To understand this, we can say A reacts with B to give C and D. दिस इज़ अ केमिकल इक्वेशन. दिस इज़ हाउ हम लोग एक केमिकल इक्वेशन को लिखते हैं. नाउ क्लियरली वी हैव टू साइड्स इन द केमिकल इक्वेशन. On the left we have substances that are taking part in the chemical reaction, so they are called as reactants, and on the right side new substances are formed, so they are known as products. Okay, reactants react to form प्रोडक्ट. और एरो का क्या फंक्शन है? द एरो शोज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द रिएक्शन. नाउ इफ एनी कंडीशन इज रिटन अबव द एरो, अगर एरो के ऊपर कोई कंडीशन लिखी होती, लाइक इफ ए एंड बी आर रिएक्ट टुगेदर व्हेन हीट इज अप्लाइड, देन इट विल बी रिटन लाइक दिस. यू विल राइट हीट above the arrow or make a sign of delta, right? A plus B, arrow above the arrow heat you can write, or you can use the sign delta, and it will produce C and D. Let us understand this by taking another example. We all know that hydrogen reacts with oxygen to give water. As it is a chemical change, it implies a chemical reaction will occur. Using words, we can represent the chemical equation like this: hydrogen plus oxygen gives water. Can we make it a little simpler? Yes, we can. We can use symbols to write the equation. Like hydrogen की जगह we can write H2, oxygen O2, and it will give water that can be represented as H2O. So this is about chemical equation. Okay. Now we will study types of chemical reactions. In class 10th, you have to study 5 types of chemical reaction. The first one is combination reaction. The second one is decomposition reaction. The third one is displacement reaction. Fourth is double displacement reaction. The fifth and the last one is oxidation and reduction reaction, which we also called as redox reaction. So let's start with the first reaction, that is combination reaction. तो आपको नाम से ही पता चल रहा है कि something is combining. So a combination reaction is a reaction in which two or more simpler substances react with each other to form a new single substance. For example, A plus B. A and B are reacting together to give a new product, to give a new substance, that is AB. We can take an example like carbon will react with oxygen to give carbon dioxide. So carbon is an element, it is reacting with another element oxygen to give a new substance carbon dioxide. So this is an example of combination reaction. Another example, calcium oxide means CaO reacts vigorously with water to form calcium hydroxide, CaOH whole twice. Calcium oxide is also known as quicklime and calcium hydroxide is known as slaked lime, right? Now the next chemical reaction is decomposition reaction. So what is decomposition reaction? Decomposition reaction is a reaction in which a single substance decomposes to give two or more substances. It is just the opposite of combination reaction. यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, एक single substance वो दो या दो से ज़्यादा substances में decompose हो जा रहा है. Now decomposition reaction or decomposition can take place with the help of heat, light or electricity. If the decomposition of a substance is taking place with the help of heat, then it is known as thermal decomposition. For example, ferrous sulfate crystal loses water when heated and the color of the crystal changes. फेरस सल्फेट का क्रिस्टल होता है, विल परफॉर्म इट इन लेबोरेटरी. तो जब फेरस सल्फेट के क्रिस्टल को हीट करते हैं तो वो अपना कलर चेंज कर लेता है. वाई द कलर इज चेंज? बिकॉज द सिंगल सब्सटेंस दैट इज फेरस सल्फेट इज बीइंग डिकम्पोज्ड इनटू फेरिक ऑक्साइड, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide, right? Another example of decomposition reaction of thermal decomposition reaction is calcium carbonate. कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट पे जब हम हीट अप्लाई करते हैं तो इट विल बी डिकम्पोज इनटू कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, राइट? So this is thermal decomposition reaction. Now if the decomposition reaction takes place with the help of electricity, then it is known as electrolysis, that you have already read about this electrolysis process in your previous class. In class 8 you have studied, in class 9 you have also studied this electrolysis, right? So when electricity is passed through acidified water, जब हम एसिडिफाइड वाटर में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास करते हैं तो हाइड्रोजन गैस एंड ऑक्सीजन गैसेस प्रोड्यूस. तो हेयर द वाटर इज बीइंग डिकम्पोज्ड इनटू हाइड्रोजन and oxygen by using electricity. Hence it is an example of electrolysis or electrolytic decomposition. Okay. Now next type of decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction due to the action of light is known as photolysis. For example, when white silver chloride is kept under the sun, it turns grey. जब हम सिल्वर क्लोराइड को, वाइट कलर का होता है, उसको सनलाइट के अंदर रखते हैं तो उसका कलर कैसा हो जाता है? ग्रे हो जाता है. क्यों हो जाता है? बिकॉज लाइट के प्रेजेंस की वजह से इट डिकम्पोजेज इनटू सिल्वर क्लोराइड. Sorry, the silver chloride decomposes into silver and chlorine. 2AgCl gives 2Ag plus Cl2. मैंने 2 ऐड क्यों किया है ये आप पहले पढ़ चुके हो, टू बैलेंस द केमिकल इक्वेशन. तो दिस इज अबाउट decomposition reaction. The next reaction is displacement reaction that we will study in the next voice note. Till then, stay safe and stay at home. Thank you so much.